I could not breathe. I had the VA give me a referral to Dr. Anand. After a 15-minute procedure, I could breathe again after 20 years. Dr. Anand has a great personality, great sense of humor, makes you feel comfortable. I would suggest anybody come and see him because he's very knowledgeable about what he's doing.
I'm Dr. Akash Anand. If you suffer from chronic nasal obstruction, recurrent or chronic sinus disease, and are interested in relief, we're here to help.